Hello and welcome to the JK Feather Ranch channel. If you run over an object in the road, start hearing a humming or grinding noise while driving, and when you lift the car up, your wheel does this, you've got a bad wheel bearing. Here's how to fix it. Now, this is our 2022 Chevy Bolt EUV. This process is exactly the same for any 2017 to 2023 Chevy Bolt or EUV, but in general will apply to any vehicle where the wheel bearing is integrated as part of the hub, like this, and you change them both at the same time. Let's get started. This job is actually really simple. With the wheel removed, have your lovely assistant step on the brakes while you remove the axle nut. On the Bolt, it's a 32 millimeter. And I'll go ahead and take out the rotor set screw. The caliper is held on by these two 21 millimeter bolts in the back. And can be set aside once they're removed. With the rotor out of the way, three 15 millimeter bolts in the back are all that hold the hub on. While not strictly necessary, I like to clean up and replace any old grease. These surfaces don't rotate against each other, but it will help with disassembly again in the future. Using one bolt to secure the dust shield, the new hub can be installed. Now put everything back together. The axle nut should be replaced and torqued to 180 foot-pounds. Reinstall the wheel, and you're done. So there you have it. That's how to replace a wheel bearing with an integrated wheel hub in pretty much any vehicle that has one. We did go for a test drive after finishing this repair. The noise is gone. It drives much nicer now. There is no more wobble. So if you found this video helpful, interesting, or just entertaining, please hit that like button below, leave a comment, and feel free to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thanks for watching.